Good morning. I hope you had a fabulous weekend. Today we are going to start part 4 of I Am Malala. We're going to start by reading chapter 20 entitled A Death Threat Against Me. You should have already made your part 4 predictions on the Google document. Now we will preview some vocabulary, then you will read the chapter and answer the questions. Okay, the first word that you'll need to know for chapter 20 is the word earshot. That is the range or distance over which one can hear or be heard. The next word is pronounced wrath. That is extreme anger. And the last word is the word wretched. That is in a very unhappy or unfortunate state. All right, please head to Google Classroom to read the rest of the directions. Again, you'll read chapter 20 and answer the questions. Don't forget to submit the document when it is complete. Have a great day.